Hi everyone, this is on-chain mode, and right here in this video I'll be showing you how to transfer your USDT. I'll be making use of a BNB network in this video right now to an external wallet. The processes of sending out tokens to an external wallet remains the same on this RidotPay app, so you have to watch the video to understand how the processes work. For those of you that are new into the Web3 space, this is another wallet that you can be able to use to store your crypto, buy and do P2P right here. You can do all of that from this RidotPay app. The RidotPay itself is a Web3 wallet on its own that has all those integrations that I mentioned in it. So right here is a quick one, like I told you, on how to send out your tokens. So before you can transfer your tokens to an external wallet, you have to click right here. You click right at the asset section. All right, after clicking at the asset section, it's going to take you right here. Okay, so now what you have to do now is to click on the coins that you want to use in sending out. All right, if you scroll down, you can now select the coins from the available list of coins or tokens right here you want to be using. All right, so right here, for the sake of this video, I want to be making use of the USDT network, and I'm going to be transferring 10 USDT just to show you how the process works. All right, so to send out your USDT from here, what you have to do now is to use the withdrawal button. This is the button you're going to be making use of. Okay, you click on that withdrawal button, and then right now you are going to be selecting withdraw on chain, because we want to send out to another Web3 wallet. So you click on that withdraw on chain, then it's going to bring out this section for you to select the network that I want to be using to send out. Remember that I told you in my last videos that the USDT can be built on a particular network. We have the Solana network, we have the Ethereum network, we have the BNB, the OP BNB, and the Tron, and a lot more of them. These are various networks. All right, now USDTs can be built on any of these networks, and why USDTs are often built in network is because it's to reduce the transaction fees. Right, that is one of the reasons why some USDTs are being built in networks. All right, so right here I'll be making use of BNB network for the sake of this video. I'll be making use of the USDT that is built on where the BNB network for the sake of this video. All right, so right now click on BNB, and then after clicking on that BNB now, I'm gonna it's going to take me right here in this section where I can now insert the address, the external address I want my BNB coins to be sent to. So you go to any Web3 wallet like MetaMask or even any exchange and go and copy your USDT BNB network and come and paste it here. All right, I hope this is clear enough. You come and paste your BNB network right here, and then you select the amount that you want to be inserting. I'm going to be transferring 10 USDT just to show you how the process works to an external wallet. All right, I have copied my address from an external wallet. I've copied my address from my other external wallet, and I've come here and pasted my address here. Remember that anytime you want to copy any external wallet, you need to know the network of which of the coin you want to copy. All right, so right now, since I want to send out my USDT BNB network to an external wallet, I am going to that external wallet and go and copy still USDT BNB network and come and paste it here. All right, you don't have to paste another wallet address right here. If not, you're going to lose your funds. All right, so now I've copied my external wallet and I've pasted it right here. I'll now come here and type the amount I want to withdraw. I want to withdraw 10.66 USDT. So you can click on this maximum to withdraw everything. All right, and now this is the gas fee. You can see the gas fee right here is 1 USDT that the RidotPay wallet normally charges. Alright, so now if you remove one USDT, you're going to be left with 9.66 USDT. Alright, so now go ahead and click on withdrawal. As soon as you click on withdrawal, it is going to bring out this confirmation icon. Go ahead and click on just confirm your amount, confirm the BNB smart chain network that you want to send it to. The address is very important. Before you send out your token, ensure that the address is correct. You have rechecked it very well to avoid unnecessary mistakes. All right, so now I've confirmed it, just go ahead and click on confirm button. Then you insert your Google Authenticator password right here. For those of you that watched my previous video on how to how I added Google Authenticator to RidotPay app, now you can now go to that particular spot now and copy that those 6-digit code and come and paste it right here. Okay, but in case you didn't activate the Google Authenticator on RidotPay, it is not gonna show you this. All right, just go ahead and click on continue. But for those of you that activated the code, go and copy that 6-digit code from your RidotPay app, from your Google Authenticator app that is always revolving. Be fast as possible. Go and copy it and come and paste it right here, and then you click on verify. And once you click on that verify, the transaction is going to be initiated successfully, and then the money is going to be sent out to that particular external wallet that you submitted the address into your RidotPay app. So you're going to receive your tokens or your BNB USDT on that external wallet. So I later received my coins on my Trust wallet. All right, so guys, this is basically how to send out your tokens to an external wallet from the RidotPay app. And if this video was very helpful, please do like and subscribe to the channel and drop a comment so that the video can reach others that need the same information just like you did. See you in the next video, and bye for now.